After a busy day, so I just want to make a simple dish for our dinner. So I want to make chicken ginamay. So I just want to show you guys my own version of making chicken ginamay. So here's the ingredients of my own version of chicken ginamay. First, I have here the minced chicken. I have here the vegetables composed of carrots, corn, and green peas. And I have here the kind of tomato paste. Since I don't have fresh tomato. And then I have the onion, and then garlic, and then I have the oil. So these are the ingredients. It's a simple dish I'm going to make for our dinner tonight. So first thing I want to do is the oil. Put oil in the pan. Little bit more. Sarap, paslit agad. I have to add the onion. I will put it to higher temperature. And also the garlic. Okay, when it's about to when you smell the onion, so I think it's about time to add the minced chicken. Next is the chicken, minced chicken. Wait until it will all cook. Not so much, because just quite a little bit, like this. And then you can add salt and pepper. Now I can add the salt and pepper. To mix it together, and then cover for 2 minutes. Where's the cover, Papa? Give him the cover, please.
Cover?
Yeah, hide there. I have to cover it for 2 minutes until it will bubble.
I see it.
Yeah. It'll simmer for 2 minutes. Yes, this dish is simple to make, affordable and healthy. Now it's boiling already after 3 minutes, so I think it's already done. But I have to taste first if the taste is good enough. Yeah, I think it's good. Yes. Ready to serve with rice, of course.